Have you ever wondered what's the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, foundation models, and generative AI? Many interview candidates confuse these terms. In this video, I'll explain the complete AI hierarchy in less than 3 minutes. Let's start with the biggest layer. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broad field of creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing faces, playing chess, recommending products, or driving a car. Think of AI as the umbrella that covers everything else we're going to discuss. Inside AI comes machine learning. Instead of writing rules for every situation, we give computers lots of data, and they learn patterns from that data. Once trained, they can make predictions or decisions. For example, predicting house prices, detecting spam emails, recommending movies, or identifying fraudulent transactions. So remember, AI is the goal. Machine learning is one way to achieve that goal. Inside machine learning comes deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks with many layers, inspired by the human brain. Because of these deep neural networks, computers can learn very complex patterns from huge amounts of data. That's why deep learning powers technologies like image recognition, speech recognition, language translation, and self-driving cars. Inside deep learning are foundation models. These are very large AI models trained on massive amounts of text, images, code, audio, and other data. Instead of building a separate model for every task, one foundation model can be adapted for many different tasks. Examples include GPT, Llama, Claude, and Stable Diffusion. Finally, we have generative AI applications. These applications use foundation models to create entirely new content. They can generate text, images, videos, music, code, and much more. For example, ChatGPT can write essays and code, GitHub Copilot helps developers write programs, and image generators create pictures from simple text prompts, so the hierarchy is easy to remember. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning foundation. Models, generative AI applications. Each layer is a subset of the one above it. If you understand this hierarchy, you'll have a strong foundation for both generative AI interviews and real-world AI concepts.